Hey, welcome to our AJAX course. My name is Lawrence. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with many years of web development experience, and I'm going to be sharing my knowledge with you in regards to JavaScript, making AJAX requests, and returning back JSON data, outputting it to your web page, and updating the web page content all using JavaScript. So AJAX allows you to communicate with the server, exchange data, update the page, without having to do a page refresh. Making requests to the server, and that's one of the benefits of AJAX, is that allows you to do server requests without having to do a page reload. So you're also able to receive and work with the data that's coming back from the server. This course is loaded with over 30 different projects. Each project has a set of challenges at the end of the lesson. So the lesson will begin and it'll show you what we're going to be accomplishing within the lesson. And then at the end of the lesson, it's got a list of challenges and tasks for that lesson to help you learn more about AJAX, JavaScript, AJAX requests using modern JavaScript coding. By the end of the course, you're going to be able to create fully interactive and dynamic web applications that load data from server endpoints, return back JSON data, and then use that as JavaScript objects to output to your web pages. This is all data-driven web page content, so all coming from the endpoint and being constructed with JavaScript. Allow your users to make selections on the page and customize the request to the endpoint, retrieve back JSON data according to the user selection. In the upcoming lessons, you're going to be able to explore how to make dynamically generating page content and working with JSON data, creating all kinds of interesting web applications, including games, also searches of various resources such as YouTube, Stack Exchange, and a number of other endpoints, how to interact with Google Sheet data and creating quizzes with Google Sheet data, also serving up jokes, connecting to trivia databases, creating games out of that. Source code is also included. So one of the best ways to learn is to try the code out for yourself, build your own version of the application, really get familiar with what AJAX is and how you too can use AJAX in order to build robust dynamic web applications. If you have any questions or comments, I'm always happy to help. Please let me know. Also included is a over 100-page PDF guide. Within this section as well, we're going to be providing you a quick JavaScript refresher. JavaScript is one of the prerequisites to this course, so please make sure that you do have coding and JavaScript experience, as we are going to be focusing on how to make AJAX requests, making page manipulations using JavaScript, interacting with the DOM. So I am going to be providing a quick overview and a refresher in this section. As well, we're going to be building dynamic list, which is going to load data from a JSON file and then also store that JSON data in a stringified format within your local storage of the browser. You can add, update to the list and remove items from the list. So let's get started.